Hey everyone, this is Aarti. Welcome back to my Parts of Speech series on adjectives. So in this video, we will learn about what is adjective and what are all types of adjectives. So let's start. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which give us extra information about the nouns and pronouns. Let's see the definition here. An adjective is a part of speech which describes, identifies, or quantifies a noun or a pronoun. So these adjectives answer questions like what kind, which one, how many, what color, what size. So when we get answers for all these questions, we can say those words are called adjectives. Let's see examples here. He was wearing a blue shirt. So which color shirt? Blue. So this is adjective. There are 7 rooms in the house. So how many rooms? 7 rooms. This is adjective. There are 4 big brown wooden boxes in this store. So these 4 big brown wooden, all these words are adjectives. So here you can see that adjectives can be used in a sentence. There can be more than one adjective in a sentence. The cake was fresh and creamy. So here also fresh and creamy both are adjectives. So adjectives can be used before the noun or after the noun or pronoun. Before the noun and pronoun and after the noun and pronoun. So here in the first sentence you can see before he was wearing a blue shirt. Shirt here is a noun. So before the noun adjective is used. Whereas you can see here in the last sentence the cake is a noun. So adjective fresh and creamy are used after the noun. Clear? Let's move on to the types of adjectives now. So here are the 5 major types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, or we call them descriptive adjectives. Adjectives of quantity or number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and interrogative adjective. Let's understand each of them in detail with examples. So first one is the descriptive adjective, or we call it adjective of quality. So what do we understand by this? These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun, or we can say they tell us about the characteristics of the noun. Let's see definition here. Descriptive adjectives are used to describe nouns and pronouns. Words like beautiful, cute, silly, tall, annoying, loud, and nice are all descriptive adjectives. These adjectives add information and qualities to the words they are modifying, as they tell us about the characteristics of the noun. And one more important thing, these adjectives answer the question like what kind. When we answer the question what kind, we can easily identify that these adjectives are descriptive adjectives. For example, Shelja is a beautiful woman. What kind of woman she is? A beautiful woman. She is a beautiful woman. New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. What kind of city? Large. So the answer for a question, what kind, is always a descriptive adjective. The adjectives I have given you here, beautiful, cute, silly, tall, annoying, loud, nice, or honest, kind, large, bulky, ugly, all these are descriptive adjectives. So adjective of number, or we call it adjective of quantity. Clear? See here. These adjectives are used to show the number of noun and their place in an order. Number of a noun and their place in an order. See here. There are 3 different sections within adjective of number. And what are those three different sections? See here: definite number adjective, indefinite number adjective, and distributive number adjective. Okay, so these are all the three different sections. Let's understand each of them in detail with examples. Here comes the first, that is definite numeral adjective. These adjectives clearly denote an exact number of nouns or the order of the noun. Let's see how. By telling us about the cardinals and ordinals. What are cardinals? They tell us about the, see here, 1, 2, 20, 34. All these are called cardinals, cardinal numbers. Why we call that cardinal? They say that how many of something. Suppose I'm asking you, what would you like to have? I would like to have one ice cream. So, 1, telling about the quantity. Ordinals here, first, second, third, seventh, all these are the positions. When they talk about the positions, they are called ordinals. So, definite numeral adjectives tell us about the exact number or the order of the noun. Clear? I will have 1 cup of coffee. He stood first in the class. Clear? Next is indefinite numeral adjective. And what is that? These adjectives do not give an exact numerical amount, but just give a general idea of the amount. They are not like definite numeral adjectives because they tell us about the exact number, whereas indefinite, they don't tell us about the exact number, they just give us general idea about the amount. See here words like some, many, few, any, several, all. They just tell us about the general idea of amount. See here example. There were many people present at the meeting. So many people, don't know. There is no exact number, 10, 15, many. They can be 20 also. So next, distributive numeral adjective. And what are they now? These adjectives are used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount. And what are those? Either, neither, each, other, another, other. All these are distributive numeral adjectives. See here example. Taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. So every here is a distributive numeral adjective. Clear? Next comes the demonstrative adjective. And what are they? Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or a pronoun using the adjectives like this, that, these, and those. See here example. That bag belongs to Vikrant. The word that used to point out or indicate particular noun. That bag here is a noun. Try using this paintbrush. So again here you can see paintbrush talking about a noun, particular noun. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. Okay, demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, and those. Next is possessive adjective. And what are the possessive adjectives? As the word itself indicates, possessive means to which tell us about the possession. How? See here. A possessive adjective, see here, expresses possession of a noun by someone or something. Possessive adjectives are the same as possessive pronouns like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. So these are all singulars: my, your, his, her, its. Your is both singular and plural. Your, are, their, plural. So possessive adjectives show possession. They describe to whom a thing belongs. Let's see few examples here. My car is very old. Her mother is very friendly. Our dog is black. So our, her, my. They're talking about the possession of things or living beings. Anything. Possession of anything. Clear? Last is interrogative adjective. And what are they? As the word itself indicates, interrogative. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. They are where, what, which, and whose. Clear? So let's see examples now. Where did he say he was going? Where did he say he was going? Which is your favorite poem? What is your aim? So all these words are interrogative adjectives. So this was all about the adjectives and its types. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Ace English Academy.